medical officer? Ratchet.
The boy's pheromone levels suggest he wants to mate with the female. His vocal processes were damaged in battle. I'm still working on him. If the Decepticons find the Allspark, they will use its power to transform Earth's machines and build a new army.
And the human race will be extinguished. Sam Witwicky, you hold the key to Earth's survival. Move! Get away! What's the matter with you? Can't you be quiet? He wants us to be quiet.
Wow, that was tingly. Oh, gotta try that.
Yeah, that looks fun.
The parents are very irritating.
Yeah.
Can I take them out?
I sense the Decepticons are getting ready to mobilize.
If all else fails, I will unite it with the spark in my chest.
That's suicide. The cube is raw power. It could destroy you both.
Autobots, roll out!
We roll. It's Megatron, retreat! Move! Fall back! Cover fire! This fool is terribly misinformed.
Autobots, report to hangar for transport.
Ironhide, we should leave this planet.
That's not what Optimus would want.
Alright, we're gonna drop fire from the left flank. I need a scout team.
I'm leading.
Sam! Spotted Sam!
Get up, Prime! Oh no. Fulfill your destiny.
Jolt! Electrify! Transplant those afterburners!
Ratchet, let's roll. We're entering the Ark.
His levels are faint. He locked himself away to guard the pillars.
Autobots, attack!
Order that bridge!
Oh my god.
Charge the pillar!
We got Autobots!
Decepticons! Trigger the pillar!
Guys, bring it up! Speed! Get through! Let's do this! Propeller's still connected! Rip that pillar down!
You fought bravely.
There will be days when we lose faith.
No! Please! Hold your fire! Oh. Hold fire! Not see, I've been injured! Medical Officer Ratchet! I'm a friend! I'm an Autobot!
Why are you running?
Optimus sent this distress message.
Calling all Autobots. We are under targeted attack. Cease all contact with humans.
We're all hiding. All Autobots are being hunted. We're all in danger.
I lost a sister in Chicago. You get no sympathy from me.
What's wrong with you humans? No! Please! Lockdown.
Autobots, Decepticons, like little children, always fighting, making a mess out of the universe. Where is Optimus Prime?
Never.
Never is here.